Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 103. Start. Number 1. Please call Mr. Nation on the telephone, and tell him that the illustrations are nearly ready. Full stop. Mention that they will be delivered tomorrow. Full stop. Number 2. The addition to the nation's population during the year exceeded any increase in former years. Full stop. Number 3. Many of the people in the organization believe that the situation is so bad that the opposition faces defeat in the national election. Full stop. Number 4. Dr. Foster remarked, inverted comma start, by all means take a vacation, and exercise caution to avoid any more colds, full stop, inverted comma close. Number 5. Dear sir, we are pleased to inform you that your application for admission to the College of Physicians and Surgeons has been accepted. Full stop. Your references have been carefully examined, and the result of our investigation has been entirely to our satisfaction. Full stop. We may say that the information now in our possession reflects very much to your credit. Full stop. Very truly yours,